Okay, so we're here and we're hooked up to everything we need to be. Just dialing it in here for frequency. Setting the clock speed and the DDS. Right, so 490, that is AM. We go to upper. Just have to rock it. 590, yeah, and then we go to lower. 4875 FM 490. Okay, so that's that end of it taken care of, and the SIG gen here is set up 27185, and we're outputting 100 microvolts. So see there, that's giving us S9. I just play with this. S9 on the meter. AM, S9 on the meter. And S9 sideband. So that's that end of it done. Yeah, who have we got there? This side 29 Golf Delta 01, 29 Golf Delta 01. Name is George. Golf Echo Oscar Radio Golf Echo, and we're located in Central Ireland. Over.
Yeah, George 59 plus 20 to be over here again. My name is Sean. Juliet Oscar Hotel November. Sean is Sean Lennon, but not so much money. Hi.
Indeed, no problem, no problem. Name is George this side, as I said, and you're also 59 plus, no problem at all. Just testing out a radio here, so making sure it's okay. Over.
Yeah, George, do you copy me now? Using only 10 watts,
Yes, but not as strong. A lot of QSB. Over.
Yeah, I'm using only 10 watts at the moment. You can sound it very beautiful. 5 grams or 20, sometimes 5 grams or 30.
Yeah, very good, and it sounds okay, Sean, okay?
Okay, George, I'll let you go. I wish you all the best. 73 compressed hours, Roger.
Yeah, very fine, no problem. Thanks for the check, and get you again some other time. 29 Golf Delta 01, 73.
Roger, 29 Delta Golf 161 Austria.
Bye bye. Right, so it's on the dummy load here. 1 2, check 1 2, and we go to upper side band. 1 2, check 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And lower side band. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now I have to eat some humble pie here. While it does transmit on FM, it doesn't. The deviation, there's something not right somewhere. So back to the drawing board, I'm afraid. So we'll see, can we get it going on the next one? But for the moment, it's not a runner. I can get it to trans. Well, it was myself and Ray is at it. Well, more Ray than me. I haven't a clue. He's a lot smarter at this stuff than me. So we have to see, can we get it to work again. So we'll try it on the next one and make some changes and see. But if you don't try, you don't know. And that's just the ins and outs of it. So we'll just put her back on the big aerial here. Get in there. Going through the scope there. 1 2, check 1 2 3 4. Hello 1 2, audio. To AM. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hello. And 1 1. You see, it's not right there. It's all over the place on FM. 1 2 3 4 5. So it is what it is for now. But nice little radio. That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll get you in the next one.